Right, this is as hard as they get, these ones, okay, so they won't get any harder. So if you can do this one, you can do them all. You're nearly right. You know the numbers, you have minus 20, minus 4, so you're way down at minus 20, and if you go down another 4, where'll I end up? Just have a look at that. So x, I think signs, the number is wrong and the x term is wrong. It's nearly right, but now you're right. Yeah, good girl. I think the number is wrong, Kate. What does the number say?
16.
Yeah, the number is wrong. Have a look at the number again. The number is wrong. The x squared and the x term are right. Now you're right. Okay, so I'm going to do it. Okay, so 5 by x squared is 5x squared. Then 5 by minus x is minus 5x. And 5 by minus 4 is minus 20. Now, red alert here, I'm multiplying in by a minus sign. Okay, so minus 2 by 2x squared is minus 4x squared. So then you have to do minus 2 by minus 3x. So a minus by a minus is a plus, and 2 by 3x is 6x. Finally, minus 2 by plus 2. A minus by a plus is a minus, 2 by 2 is 4. Okay? So then you have to put your x squares together. So 5x squared, take away 4x squared, will give me 1x squared, or just x squared. Is that okay? Your x's, you're at minus 5x plus 6x. Yes? Yeah. So you're down at minus 5, you add on 6. That'll bring me to plus 1x. Right? Sorry. Yeah. Am I right? Yeah. And then minus 20 minus 4. So you're way down at minus 20. You have to go down another 4. That would be minus 24. So that's your answer. That was pretty hard. Okay? Right? We'll go on to the next section. I'll be giving you some of these for homework tonight anyway, so you can get to go over them again. Can I rub this off? Right, okay, so the next one, girls, is, right, okay, evaluating expressions. So I'm going to tell you x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. So I'm now telling you what the letters stand for, so you have to fill them back in. So tell me what x plus 2y is. Do you remember these ones? So I might do this one just for you. Everywhere I see an x, put in a 3. So instead of that x, I'm writing 3. And instead of that y, I'm writing 2. So it's 2 multiplied by 2. And then get out your calculator and type it as you see it into the calculator, and you won't go wrong. Right, okay, and that will press equals on the calculator and it'll give you 7. Okay, so you definitely need your calculator for this one, because it saves messing with signs and stuff like that. Okay, so same values for x and y. Right, I want you to do that for me. 2x minus y. So same values, x is still 3, y is 2. Right, and do it on your board and throw me up the answer when you have it. Into the calculator now, Leah, with that. Don't even try to work it out in your head, because we have calculators to give our brains a rest. Correct. 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 See the way that was way easier than using your brain, wasn't it? Correct. Is that 4? It's not 41, no. Yeah, that's fine. That's correct. 2x, Kate?
Yeah.
What have you written down?
2x minus 4.
Yeah? So that's correct, Medicine. So it's 2 times 3 minus y is 2, isn't it? So 2 times 3, you said was 9, Kate. 2 times 3 is 6, isn't it? Well, you just put it into the calculator and press equals. Has everyone got a calculator? Does anyone need a loan of a calculator for the class? Anyone need a calculator? Did you get 4? Good girl. Yeah. Right. Okay. Harder one. Right. Okay. So this time I'm going to tell you that A is 4 and B is minus 3, and I want to do A minus 4B. So there's a minus here, so there's a minus this time, okay? So that's where the calculator is really handy, because you don't have to be thinking about signs and whatever. Nope, because you put in 3 for B instead of minus 3. You did the exact same thing. You put in 3. B is actually minus 3. You are correct. No. I can't even see where you went wrong, Aisling. Did you use your calculator? Use your calculator. It's 4 minus 4B. Now you're right. Okay, you're right, Medicine. Kate, were you showing me something there? Where's the answer? No. Right, will I do this one for you? Right, everywhere I see an A, put in a 4. So instead of that A, I'm putting a 4. Then it's minus 4 multiplied by what B is, which is minus 3. And if you type that into the calculator, it's actually 4. A minus by minus is a plus. 4 3s are 12. And that would be 16. But you can go straight from that answer to that if you use your calculator. Okay, you don't need the second last line. Is that alright? I'm going to fight with someone now. I have an itchy nose, so watch out. Right, okay, are we all okay? Right, same numbers. Right, okay, so this time do for me, where not to go? 2A squared minus B. My advice is calculator, because this is quite hard. Yes.
Is the 2 in the square but outside the bracket or inside the bracket?
That 2?
Yeah.
Outside the bracket.
No, the small one.
Oh, outside the bracket. No. Because you put in 3, you know, it's 2 times A to be squared, but this is minus, and then you have to put B in a bracket also, because B is minus 3. Okay, you said B was plus 3. Nope, you did the exact same thing. You are correct. Do you know B is minus 3? Right? So it's minus 3. And 2 minuses in a row will give you a plus, so, but the calculator will do all that for you. 35 is the answer. What have you written down? Yeah, have another look at it. Yeah. Yeah. So look, I have it filled in here. So it's 2. Instead of that A, put a 4 and put the 4 in brackets and put the little square term outside. Do you all know how to put that on your calculator, do you?
Yeah.
Does anyone need me to show them? And then it's minus, and then B is a -3, so it's -3. Okay, so your best thing is to put the B in brackets as well. Okay, we got it? And when you put that into the calculator and press equals, you get 35. Okay, same numbers for A and B. Right, okay, so let's do oh, what happened? My battery's running low. I'll be with you in 1 sec. I just stick this in. It is. Oh, I had it in. And, oh yeah, now it's in. Right. I have to work out the answer myself. No. No. You have to. You know the B. You put the minus outside the bracket. You need to put the minus in with the 3 inside the bracket. You are correct. You are correct. No, because look, you know B is -3, so you have to put the -3 into the bracket and put the square on the outside. Show me, bring me up, and then look, have you -2, you're correct Kayla, -3 in the brackets. You put in a 4 in the second bracket, it's B again, so that's -3. I know it's really confusing, but, and then it's +4. Then you type that into a calculator as you see it, and you come out with 19 is the answer. You got 34, was it? Have you this written down, Hannah? So it's B, put the -3 into brackets, squared, -2 times -3 in brackets, and a +4 at the end. Okay, so if you type it exactly as I've written it into the calculator. Right, and your answer should be 19. Are we good? Right, same numbers till we get one right, everyone. Right, and let's do B squared minus 2A. So B squared minus 2A, and when you have the answer, hold it up for me. Put the B into brackets, Kayla. Put the B into brackets because the B is -3, so put the -3 into a bracket, because if you don't do that, it'll come out wrong. Correct. 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 Have I got everyone? I can't remember. Hannah, I didn't get you. Holly, I didn't get yours, did I? Correct. Have you calculated, Hannah? Or Holly? Why did I call you? Hannah's over there. You have, yeah. Has everyone a calculator? Because I have a spare one if you don't have your calculator. Have you a -3 in the first? It shouldn't make a difference, but I think when you do that you get 1. Have you, is it still on your calculator? Will you bring it up to me? The calculator, yeah, just, yeah. You just throw it down there till I see what you typed in. Oh, I can't see. Oh, I can't see what you typed in. Will you type it in, cancel it? I don't want to touch it. If you want to cancel it off there and type it in front of me. So before you press equal, show me what you're putting in. Can you see what you type now? Go on. Oh yeah. Did you put the -3 in brackets?
Yeah.
Right, okay. Yeah. -2, open bracket, 4, close bracket. And you get 1. That's the answer. Is that okay? Right. Are we all okay? We all got 1? Right. Same values for A and B. Right. A plus B over A minus B, and the answer is a fraction, so don't be surprised when you get a fraction. Yes.
Put them in brackets.
Yeah, I'd say still put them in brackets because of that minus, so it doesn't mess stuff up. So I'd put them in all in brackets. Correct. Correct. Nope. Just be careful underneath. Put the second B in brackets. You know, it's a -3, isn't it? So it's, look, underneath the line it would be 4 minus, look, -3. That's what should be underneath the line. Then on top you have a 4 plus -3. So put them into brackets, okay? It's probably hard to do on your calculator, Hannah, because you probably type the fraction button first before you do this. So it's going to be really hard to do on the, you do have a proper calculator at home, do you? Yeah. Will you make sure you have it for Friday? Correct, Madison. Hannah, I leave you off this one because it's really impossible to do on that calculator. wrong sign on top. You were supposed to fix it on the calculator, not just roll out the sign. Look, I'll leave you off it, it's great. Are you okay, girls? Are you able to manage it? Yeah, no, that's fine. Helping each other is allowed. That's allowed. Is to be encouraged. Yeah. Oh, phone on desk. Oh. Right. Okay. Are we all done? Correct. Holly, are you getting this one?
I still don't know how to put the...
Come up. Right. Stand there, put your calculator down there, and I'll talk you through it without touching your calculator. Sorry, yeah, I couldn't have left it in a... Right, you press the fraction button first. This is the fraction button.
Oh.
Is that right? Then you open a bracket, and then you do 4, and close bracket, plus, open bracket, minus 3, close bracket. Then you use the down arrow to get underneath the line, and then you do this.
Oh. Okay.
1/7?
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Right. Everyone okay? Ashley knew that figured out, had you? Yeah. 1/7, everyone? Anyone need any help? Okay. Right. Am I going for time? I have 6 minutes. Sure. Here, will I get the next section done? I will. You're right. I will. Where's multiplying our bracket? Why haven't I? Because I skipped it. Right. If I had something like x plus 5.
I'm sorry, Mark. Sorry to interrupt. Can I have one of those for a minute?
Yeah.
Can I have a chat, please?
Right. X plus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1. Off you go. Will I do the first one? To remind you, you know how to do them. Keelan's very confident.
She has it in the knowledge, eh?
Sorry?
She probably has it in the knowledge.
Yeah, we did these the other day. Remember I showed you how to multiply our brackets before I went on to the division. Split up the first bracket, write the second bracket down twice. That might help. So take the first term in the first bracket, which is x, multiply it by the second bracket. What's the second bracket? 2x plus 1. Take the rest of the first bracket. What's that? Plus 5. And multiply it by 2x plus 1. You're on fire. Yeah. 2x plus 1. So what did I mean by split up the first bracket? There's a bit of the first bracket here and the rest of it is here, and the second bracket is written down twice. Okay, so that's what I say. I'm not raving when I say split up the first bracket, write the second bracket down twice. And remember, x by x is what? When you're multiplying x by x, what you get? X squared, yeah. Very bad. 2x squared, yeah, plus 11x is right, plus 5. It's just written in a different order, but that's fine. That's perfect. Order doesn't matter. Page 42. Question. Go 2x squared plus 11. Perfect. Right, okay, so here's your homework. Now, it's the test yourself questions at the end of the chapter. I don't know, have I revised all those questions? But have a go with them and we'll iron them out tomorrow. So will you clean off your boards and drop them back, please?